Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, student? Okay. Now we learn about seasons and weather. In the last meeting, seasons and weather, we have learned about this. Kita telah mempelajari tentang ini. Sekarang kita ke sesi yang kedua atau pelajaran yang kedua. Now take a look at the slide here. This dialogue is between Tasha and Silva. Tasha and Silva. Okay, what Tasha said. Do you feel hot today, Silva? Do you feel hot today, Silva? Yes, I do. It's very hot today. Yes, I do. It's very hot today. Apakah kamu merasa panas, Silva? Ya benar, saya merasa sangat panas hari ini. Me too. This is October. Me too. This is October. Aku juga. Ini adalah bulan Oktober. Oh yes, it is dry season. Last night there was drizzle. Yes, it is dry season. Last night there was drizzle. Ya, hari ini sangat panas. Tadi malam pun saya kepanasan. Really, what month comes after October? Really, what month comes after October? Benar? Apa bulan setelah bulan Oktober? Could you repeat please? Could you repeat please? Bisa kamu ulangi? Of course. What month comes after October? Of course. What month comes after October? It will be November. I think in December and January we can see rainy day. It will be November. I think in December and January we can see rain every day. Ya, itu akan menjadi bulan November. Saya pikir dalam bulan Desember dan Januari kita bisa melihat hujan setiap hari. Oh, I think this month it will be cold. Oh, I think this month it will be cold. Saya pikir di bulan itu adalah sangat dingin. Yes, I agree with you. Yes, I agree with you. Prepare your raincoat or umbrella then. Yes, I agree with you. Prepare your raincoat or umbrella then. Ya, saya setuju denganmu. Siapkan jas hujan dan payung. I see. Saya tahu. Okay, take a look at the next here. Okay. Based on the previous dialogue, we can answer and we can complete this table here and stay through our fields. Number 1, Tasha feels cold today. Tasha feels cold today. Tasha merasa cool today. Merasa dingin hari ini atau merasa sejuk hari ini. Take a look. True or false? Can you see it? That's right. Your answer is right. The answer is false. Jawabannya adalah salah. Take a look at number 2. There are 3 people in the dialogue. Ada 3 orang dalam dialog. There are 3 people in the dialogue. True or false? Take a look. It's false. Number 3. Tasha is Silva's sister. Tasha is Silva's sister. Tasha adalah saudara perempuannya Silva. True or false? That's right. The answer is false. Number 4. This month is October. This month is October. Bulan ini adalah Oktober. Benar nggak bulan ini adalah Oktober? Okay, true or false? Benar atau salah? Yes, your answer is true. That's right. Number 5. Today is rainy season. Today is rainy season. Hari ini adalah cuacanya penghujan atau musimnya penghujan. Maksudnya today atau hari ini adalah di mana saat dialog tadi terjadi. Today is rainy season. Fails, yeah. Because October is dry season. In October until December are very cold. In October until December are very cold. Dalam bulan Oktober sampai bulan Desember adalah sangat dingin. True or false? October until December? Yes, you're right. It is true because October until December is rainy season. The next, number 7. In December and January, including the rainy season. In December and January, including the rainy season. Dalam bulan Desember dan Januari, termasuk musim penghujan. True or false? Yeah, the answer is true. Oh, now, this, we have to correct this, correction this. Number 7, the answer is true. Nomor 7 harusnya jawabannya adalah true. Okay, got it? Okay, the next, number 8. Silva and Tasha are neighbors. Silva and Tasha are neighbors. Silva dan Tasha adalah tetangga. True or false? Yes, right. The answer is true. Take a look at the next slide. We have a text here. We have a passage here. Kita punya bacaan di sini. It is about Indonesia season, tentang musimnya yang dialami di negara Indonesia. Indonesia has 2 seasons in a year. Indonesia punya 2 musim dalam setahun. They are dry season and rainy season. They are dry season and rainy season. Yaitu musim kemarau dan musim penghujan. During dry season, the weather is mostly hot. During dry season, the weather is mostly hot. Sepanjang musim kemarau, cuacanya adalah panas. In some areas, the land is dry because it does not get enough water. In some areas, the land is dry because it does not get enough water. Dalam beberapa area atau tempat, the land is dry. Tanahnya adalah kering because it does not get enough water. Karena tidak cukup menemukan atau tidak cukup ada air. During the rainy season, sepanjang musim penghujan, the weather in Indonesia is mostly cold. Sepanjang musim penghujan, cuaca di Indonesia kebanyakan dingin. It rains a lot during this season. It rains a lot during this season. Ada banyak hujan di sepanjang musim ini. It makes the land wet and muddy. It makes the land wet and muddy. Itu membuat tanahnya basah dan berlumpur. Okay, now Indonesia has 2 seasons in a year. There are dry season and rainy season. During dry season, the weather is mostly hot. In some areas, the land is dry because it does not get enough water. During the rainy season, the weather in Indonesia is mostly cold. It rains a lot during this season. It makes the land wet and muddy. Alright, take a look at the next slide. Number 1. How many seasons does Indonesia have? Berapa banyak musim yang dimiliki Indonesia yang dialami negara Indonesia? What is answer? How many? That's right. There are 2 seasons. 2 seasons. What season are they? Musim apakah itu? That's right. Dry season and wet season. Dry season and wet season. Musim kemarau dan musim penghujan. Number 3. What happens during dry season? Apa yang terjadi di sepanjang musim kemarau? Yeah, the answer is the weather is mostly hot. The weather is mostly hot. Cuacanya kebanyakan panas. Next, number 4. When does the rainy season happen? When does the rainy season happen? Kapan musim penghujan itu terjadi? Yes, October until April. October until April. The last part of October until the first part of April. Oktober akhir sampai awal April. Okay, the next number 5. How is the land during the rainy season? How is the land during the rainy season? Bagaimana keadaan tanahnya di sepanjang musim kemarau, musim penghujan? The answer is the land becomes wet and muddy. The land becomes wet and muddy. Okay, fill in the blank with correct answer in the box. Oke, isilah dengan jawaban yang benar dalam kotak. Kerjakan soal tersebut di atas selembar kertas, kemudian foto jawabanmu, lalu kirim ke 085-895-958-490. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching and learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.